Right.
I'll take all there. I bet people fathers will be and say it says and I can't get out with it. That's the time of the limit, 70 years. After that, after that,
as Jay.
He's been a Jay.
The Shen Irish Donya.
Irish Donya.
Irish Donya.
Lig Shen the Durak time.
The Shen Durak.
Durak time, Lig
The
Shen.
Holy of Leiden Lug Shen, the Shen Durak. The Holy of Leiden Lug Shen, the Shen Durak.
Durak.
But I'm Durak the
Why
way
on the lecture on today?
What?
They got this thing for you to talk to.
Aye.
Not the rest of the day at all, and so
Oh,
we said
that's
that
in the mind.
something's on it. What are you going to tell them? What do you want
I
to?
don't know what would be useful.
Oh, that'll be
It'll be.
Me get there in ya. Me Shen. Me get an Erinja.
Erinjak and an Irish.
As an Irish name.
An Irish nest, Hinstone McCown and Irish.
Aye?
Hinstone McCown and Irish.
Can you
An Emsha.
Aye?
McCown and Emshas.
Wel een Irish ton nish. Wel een hammer as an Irish one treve shoesje.
Erinjak.
Shay.
En die horen aan Erinjak, wat je doet niet dat Erinjak. Je doet niet dat Erinjak. Wat je doet niet. Wat je doet niet.
Well, out at this country.
Het gaat verteld uit January Charlton.
Dat is die gave the cat, he's after bread yet.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dear
Shannon
Harrison.
Donya Harris on
Dear Harrison.
Trustje.
Play.
Like thunder over there all day. But there's nothing new now, is it? Like
I don't know.
they're teaching you the bride, like there and under.
Oh, well, it is a thing that, it's not an awful long time, but here I think when the 6 days done of hard work, there's plenty done.
The Shendalu.
Sunday.
Shendalua.
The Donis on us.
Shen,
Tad ro litjerak nish.
Oh, and there go back, Irish Ackman.
Anel.
Oh, no.
A generally were and Duna.
That able go back to Duni. So then they'll go back 3 Irish Ackman.
Asanela genu mana sa shachten era.
Eh?
Anela genu ro mana sa shachten era.
Anel. On and money shane a golden ash, or Cobrak nicht. Mazuni is
There.
join an ash, said Cobrak nicht.
Oh, the trouble tie and the Dunach, yes.
Oh, the bit all now though. At the ram, was sourced and so more than was soon. The ram to get the money nish.
Oh, Ramjo.
Ram.
Round Joe.
Oh, ta Raujo on nish.
Yeah.
And El Man and
I said again, the smooth egg or so on and said again,
Oh, Sauson.
day.
Hey. Oh, hey.
For the smooth.
Oh, for the smooth. Hey.
It's Kurdo Kunda J.
And I said, my niece of mine away, and he said it's £0.50 an hour. Do you again? Yes, and he was a joiner too. £0.50 an hour, £6, and well, they were working Saturday at all.
And a lad fuse on veg, nether.
And getting the smooth na Shannon's man in nish.
Say, for the smooth.
For the smooth.
For the smooth.
3 skillen is 3 pingen nish.
Say, care skillen niece.
Van de keten, say.
Care skippingen. For the moon, that again for the smooth money. I said, Ram jo chit niece.
Oh,
Ram jo chit son.
Hello, man, I go back, gather.
Oh, then the break called back.
Jim.
Oh, then the break.
En dan mannen kabel o skillevriezen is, ja?
Yes, kid.
En dan mannen kabel o skillevriezen is.
Maar en dan moet ik kabel doen.
Hey.
Anel.
Beruimt jij een 3 bouwers eigen nou?
Oh, kabel doen.
O kabel ulu.
Kabel doen. Kabel, oorlog en het mogen, het kiri.
Hey.
En er kerel. Nesse van klaar voor 3 jaar. En dan kwist de oorlog en de kiri naar de bio. Zodat kijk en koendelach en het recht en tonupin en zo doen.
All you and throw color soul.
All you gold, door mij get. Oh, there, all you gold.
Rooster and Tallow.
Oh, rooster no. Rooster is you. En Charlie dit bocht, nu ook.
Oh, nel kabel bij gol me geeft.
Oh, nel. En dan toog ik het. En dan me klaar wel charach os gele bride.
Oh, zullen ze dat?
En dan me klaar wel.
Nou.
En nou zeg ik bij ons begeert de show, hè? En dan jet ons kastjag naar ons Balagarat.
No. Oh, there's no. There's 2 in that Valbutton monster. Yes, there's 2 there.
En el weg was het juist in Helen, hè?
En
Weg.
Heel verder bij gol is.
En el abra bij van de Gaaue, hè?
Anel, that's no son and saddle, hè? Over bij ook.
Oh, nou, Robert bij.
En schroef hagen Johnny Kneen, mannen.
Hoe?
Trevor weg. Johnny Kneen.
We doen all the Trevor weg.
Nou,
Cow, kabel, all the
is de Gaaue mine, yes.
big cow, brow, heavy brow. I don't out on the call eggy dockers for fair skill breed or so. Christian.
Okay.
And he was the best that ever I seen to make a bell up. I don't know you was used to making bells or not.
Be there, huh?
I'll be there after he's putting in the bells, I can't say it right, he's putting in the bells so much for shoe and horse and items. And nobody living could find them items. No, there were things, he was putting down that there was nobody in.
Bit u ster,
Who's there, huh? Yes, you couldn't ever get them. No, items, and items here.
What's the list of items then?
What?
Little
That's the
Nella.
word go
Little jobs, do you see, one thing and worth the marker. That was items, this.
Okay.
Little jobs like once that in and then he went saying put so much for the items and he went saying what they were, eh? He was a champion.
See what we
No, we had some.
When a vergeel man eugen.
Hey?
When a vergeel man eugen.
Oh, wij gieten you again.
Oh, yes.
Once there were mourners here below, and poured out cries and tears.
Well, say it in Manx.
Kate Vadron Shaw, les Kaighin with broken hearts. Kate Vadron Shaw, les Kaighin Blish. Galtasha taking care of the right way. Galtasha here as black becray, the wrestled hard, as we do now. Maar teshinis nei pekka astantia. That's the Manx hymn.
Henny kes hurad gesbeven. As man res nach vel try. De go machine wel. De go machine wel. As tad gan soer trud fullen een. De hurton huis de cry.
Yes.
Machine?
I can't catch you well. There's a hymn.
Is that the
Yes.
second verse of it? What is it? What is it?
How's it that?
Aye.
And can't he get from the Manx?
Yes, I do know it. I'm just trying to think on it.
Aye, old Chester said, Gentry Rithenach, the Lamantai. He was in the court and they were held up. Do something, he said, or I'll get home. Gentry Rithenach, the Lamantai. Tai is the home. Where's your gold tie?
Are you going home?
Trug Session Lanu. Train up a child in the way he should go. As there be a shin, a chin there was, he won't turn from it. All the Manx years, I got a book.
Oh, you read the Manx quite a bit.
Hanel man a gilk gul nish, ara. Wel.
I don't know whether he's here yet.
The klassen kat lua. Was you klassen sen?
Oh, Tommy Clarkson said. Oh, yeah.
Hanel man a gilk gul nish, ara.
Anel, man.
Hanel huish a sen, bad grey to vavus egg.
Anel.
Wel.
Oh, Tommy Shen. Clarkson Shen, man, you.
Over ram gilk gul to vavus egg, na rau.
Say.
Gul ulju me giet nelan.
Tommy gold tie, Tommy gold shish, Tommy gold mach, go out. Chitchishye, come ye in.
Ru gilk ek na petchen to vav egg.
And tell me, son Genoveg, go curl your hin, na beg you. Take care of yourself that you won't be. Go curl your hin, na be you caught stech. That you won't be taken in.
Go curl you hin.
Go curl your hin. Take care of yourself. Na be you caught stech. When you're dealing, take care of yourself that you won't be taken in on them. Aye. Trud you stech, come ye in. Say you shish. Go mach, go out, go out. Then we go to Corsilla. I'm going to put a sight on some any place that you want to go to. Port Nahinja, Dulwich. And I'm saying,
Now she ru mana runs Dulwich.
aye,
Well,
all the Dulwich is Douglas. Aye,
wat is een bal nu?
say,
Now she ru mana runs Purna Hinja.
and Almana,
Nou,
and
Shannon ball vad get nul in the skadan. And she ru gol get in skadan.
no, say,
And Skadden's on the Gaaue vad grey.
the Scalan,
Skadden's on the Gaaue.
is there.
O vad gi ram Skadden os na shan leien.
Yes,
Biulu Skadden os predes na rau.
yes. Scalan was present no, fresh hen, and new potatoes.
Skadden oor as preden no.
Aye. Present new, new.
Preden oor. Over ram slide halu gilk was na shan leien.
Ram say,
Nel man run nish ara.
and then manner this year.
En she ru gol dos Ballycastle mana.
Did you?
En she ru gol dos Ballycastle mana. Trevo egg. He's os the jazz. Was Ballycastle.
Oh, yes.
Well,
The gas man.
yeah.
Aye.
Wat de castle moor is en, wel.
Day.
Was the Manx of golden, you know? Golden. Golden.
Can you,
Yeah.
can you say the Lord's Prayer in Manx, Mr. Kaighin?
Can you say the Lord's Prayer in
I
Manx?
used to say it. Airline parents now. Our Father. Tasha's kissing him. The dignity, the agri gentle town. Furthers Alan Jewish Gochle. The leeches of Mola as liberation was out. Son lats in Jerich. For dancing son the brech, as son the brech, for never and ever. Airline towns now, our Father, which is in heaven. Aye. Oh yes. Rob says to Janu, train up a child in the way he should go when he is old enough to depart from it. Throg says to Janu, rad lissach a gull, as trebi a shen, a jinnad chin bebe bush. He won't turn from it.
No answer.
Aye.
You also here, really?
Oh yes.
We mustn't tire Mr. Kaighin too.
Oh, no.
Well, you get ski.
Yeah.
Well, you get ski, Manchester.
Eh?
Well, you get ski. Well, you ski, folks. Tired yet?
Oh, the ski.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you now. And then the ski first,
Well?
Oh, no.
Oh, that was you and the Mai.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir. Tell me this stuff now, man, you.
Yeah.
I hear you right now.
Yeah,
But you're talking so high that I can't get. Oh, yes, I know. Aye.
Oh, the grey egg, Amos.
Sir.
Yeah.
Listen now.
Yeah.
Listen, Cloud, give me the tongue.
Yeah.
Shade and I blow the fire. Go, Mac. Tell me go to Coachella. I'm going to put a seat. Aye.
Shen that grey 3 hours egg.
Yes. Said but grey. What do you say?
What were they saying for a Merry Christmas in Manx, Mr. Kaighin?
Oh, Kinnell, at bleeding rhino, slint dispatcher, how the foot to blow. Oh, Kinnell, at bleeding rhino, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, health and plenty as long as you live. That's the right. Oh, Kinnell, at bleeding rhino, slint dispatcher, how the foot to blow. Health and plenty.
As long as you'll be alive.
That's no idea. Health. How does I should blow? Blow. Tell me blow. Tell me go to Coachella. I'm going to put a seat. As Thomas said the grey. I don't know what to say. Didn't you really know? Penamantai. Didn't you something? The fellow that was in the court. Do something that I'll get home.
Aye.
Didn't you really know? The Naman Thai. Thai was the home.
Yeah. Oh, we'll all go Thai.
I tell me. Yes, didn't you? Do something that I'll get home.
Yeah.
I said, let's kill the grey. Kill the dinner what? What's going on there?
Well, Cognac the Ned. Harry Boyde. Oh, Spallala.
Hey,
Eh?
hey.
Do you remember?
Oh, the guilt the lure red force.
Hey.
The guilt the lure red force.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And you lot manna Boy.
Mana is not much.
Eh,
And Almana.
an Almana.
And Almana. And Kidbert General Shedden. What are you doing there? Come to Hinya, hold your tongue. Go, Mark, go out. Trudges come ye in. Say, shushies, sit you down.
What were they saying to the children when they were getting naughty?
Aye. Posey, son Gray, as Aubrey, son Eggers.
Ober son Ergen.
Posey, son Gray's Aubrey. Marry for love and work for money, but don't Posey, son Gray, marry for love. Posey, as Aubrey,
Son Ergen.
Aye, for money.
Eh?
And ye be sugar, be sure, be sugar Nico Gray, red neck will beg. Be sure not to love with it known.
Yes.
Ken eh?
Aye,
Ken eh?
be sure. Posey son Gray as Aubrey son Agate. Yes. Marry for love and work for money. Yea, be sugar, be sure not to love. Be sugar Nico Gray, red neck will beg.
Yeah.
Red the road where there's none.
Ken eh?
Be sure don't love where there's no money. Now they're having things like that.
Yeah. Ray and Queenie.
Aye, clear. Timmy Shen old.
Yeah.
Egg is young.
Tommy Shane.
Donna egg is Donna Shen, yes. Egg.
Harrow Mana.
And Elmana. Aye, I'm not much.
Harrow Mana Ergen
I'm
Gold.
not much money, Adam. And Elmana egg is egg. And oh no.
Row Mana Ergen Gold Trevo egg.
Bad.
How would you say I was cutting turf on the mountain, Mr. Kane?
Tommy Gaaue is cutting Tommy Gaaue.
Mon.
Moon, yes. Tommy Gaaue Moon. Horseman.
Leslasian.
In the Slasian. On the mountains.
Yes, yes, yes. Snail.
Snaffle.
Snaffle. Aye. Kaighin. Glen Clamag. Snailback Mountain.
Yes.
Glen is a back. The Glen. Then Glen fear my back is called. As aye. Glen Clamag.
What's the Manx for a field, Mr. Kane? What's the Manx word for a field?
Ma.
Ma.
Aye.
What would be a green field?
Ma main. A ma is a field.
What's the Manx for a turf spade that you cut turf with?
Kebba. The
Kebba.
gather moon.
Did you ever hear a word file?
Eh?
Did you ever hear a word file for a turf spade?
Oh,
File.
You heard that word?
aye. Yeah, well, the pile is, yes, there's a pepper on it.
Yes. File Pejagach.
Aye, yes. Moon is true. Gather.
Garamon.
Kebba is a spade. Kebba.
How would you say, what's the word for a stack of turf when it's in a stack?
Cliff is stack.
Creech.
Cliff the moon.
Creech the Mon.
Aye. Yes. Yes.
How would you say in Manx, I was cutting corn today?
From the Gaaue earn due today.
Yeah.
Gaaue is cut.
Earn
Aye.
is oat. Is
Yes. Yes. Pears, grass.
Here is grass. What's hay, Mr. Kane?
Eh?
What's for hay?
Cliff. Go crazy him. take care of yourself. Okay. Prayers and potatoes.
Bread and moor is bread and
Bread and moor is time enough. Go to Crail. Take care. Go Crail Jahin. As soon as kid the grey, I don't know what to say.
How would you say, oh indeed it is?
Eh?
How would you say, oh indeed it is? Indeed it is. Is that, oh the Jaru say? What did he say in that? What?
I can't understand what.
No. How do you say, oh the Jaru? Did you ever hear that word? For indeed.
Oh, the Jaru.
Yes.
Oh, the Jaru, yes.
Yes.
Shed Matthew, that's the way it is. Shed Matthew.
A sign Gaaue, Jay.
There. Yes.
That's the way it is, and you must take off it.
Shed Matthew, that's the way. Yes. Yo kid. Shed no red burgle. You'll get live.
Yo kid.
Yo kid.
You'll get laid.
Say yes. Yo kid. Yes. Yes. Come to him, hold your tongue.
What were they calling a fishing boat, Mr. Kaighin? What were they calling the fishing boats when you were young in the Manx? Were they bear the yeasty?
Yes, what's this?
And what was for
Bourbon.
Yeah.
Bourbon.
What was that?
A boat.
Boat.
Bourbon.
Board and yeasty.
Yeah,
A fishing boat.
yes.
What? What?
Scarron, fresh hen, scarron, and praising no.
Maybe bodak. Bodak.
Praising is new potatoes.
Yeah.
As a fresh hen, scarron.
What were they calling the cod? Is it bodak
Eh?
for cod?
Bodach is a cod, isn't it?
Yes.
Bodak.
Yes.
Scarag for skate.
Yes. Scarron is a hen.
Yeah.
Scarron.
What would a drink of buttermilk be, Mr. Kaighin?
Gear. Milk. Barney gear is Barney buttermilk. As Barney Milish is sweet milk. It was sweet milk and buttermilk. Barney gear. Then we go Gavin
Joch.
Brian did Barney gear. Yes, Barney gear. Sarah.
Bind bag and bandy gear.
Barney gear. Go Crail Jahin, take care. And then we some dinner bread. I'm not for doing much. I'm a shooting a pajale, my eyes shooting a pajale. Pajale is killing. I go back, come in, produce you, come in, say sushis. Say then I blow the fire.
Let's go there.
Go ash, take your rest. Say sushis, sit you down. Everything, all like that.
Well, you said the fire was burning.
To me chin,
Yeah.
I'm sick.
How do you say it? But I'm improving.
To me
Tommy Cowrow.
total man, really big. To me total really big.
Yes.
A little. And now me the mine is yet. I'm not good yet. Aye.
How could you say the fire is burning?
The fire aisle.
Yeah. Burning?
Yes.
You'll be lost there.
We are lost. We are lost. Holy blood. We are lost. We'll be all burnt.
Yeah.
Share your nine, blow the fire. Share your nine, blow the fire. Come to him, hold your tongue. Go, man, go out. Say you sit you down. As soon as killed the grey, I don't know what to say.
Yeah.
As soon as killed the grey, I don't know what to say to you.
Did you ever hear a Ray Creania about St. Bridget's Day? It went like this. Leila Brisha Ben, the Chulya Jig Ledden, the Hu na the Vain. Did you ever hear that one?
What was it?
Leila Brisha Ben.
And now the breeze of Ben.
Yes.
Oh, don't breathe the back.
How would you say I went walking to Ramsey, Mr.
From
King?
the shoe.